Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Mike here. Hope you're having a great day or night. I was perusing on Facebook this morning looking for some garage sales, and something caught my eye, and I messaged the woman. I said, is that a Wii U system? So I'm going to show you guys the picture here. This is why you got to do your homework when you're looking at these pictures and kind of zoom in, scroll out. But as you can see, you know, it's clear as day Wii U box. So I'm going to head over here right now and offer her some cash for it, see what else she's got. So let's see what we do today. All right, we're going to see if they have the wheels and deals here. Looking for that Wii U system, see if I can beat them down on the price and see what else they got. Nice little score I just picked up there, man. I love this stuff, dude, really. You know, they're packing up, they're moving, they're like, we're going to Germany, make us an offer. So I threw offers out there, and I think I did pretty well with what I picked up. It's just crazy what you can find when people are in like desperation mode. And I'm not trying to, you know, beat people up, you know, when I know that they're moving and they want to get rid of their junk. It's just, if they accept the price, they accept the price, you know. It's not me that's just like forcing them to take it, you know. They're in a situation where they got to sell the junkage. So I think I scored really, really well. I'll show you a little later in the video what I picked up, to be exact. I want to go right now to a place where they're having an estate sale. I didn't go yesterday because Kim's not feeling well, and just life's crazy, you know. So it closes here in about an hour and a half, and I want to go check it out to see if there's any opportunity left at the end of the day, right? So let's go drive over there and see if we can find some profits, some wheels, deals, and steals. Hey, there's an estate sale. Jesus, scared the crap out of me. All right, there's the estate sale sign right there. I'm gonna cruise over there and see if there's anything left. See if a little reseller like me can still make some money when they're getting ready to close. All right, we're pulling in pretty hot and heavy here. They got signage everywhere here in the Cottonwood Gardens. Looks like a trailer park estate sale, huh? Let's see. Welcome to the neighborhood. Estate sale this way. All right. Let's go check her out. There was a lot of junkage that I saw in the photos here. So we're gonna, time will tell and see what we can find here. Ooh, look at that old Mustang. Classic. I don't see a lot of traffic, so maybe there's really nobody here. Maybe that's a good opportunity. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's picked over. But you don't know unless you go. You see some cars here. A U-Haul. Looks like somebody might have bought a bunch of stuff. Properties for sale. Let's go take a little ganders in here. Taking a little ganders. My guess it's picked over, but you never know. Oh! Bless you.
She likes it though.
She's crying now. You want to know why? Why? Because she's got too much stuff to do.
Huh?
Too much stuff to do up.
Here's another one here. She doesn't have to put it all up. Made out of wooden spoons. She doesn't have to put it all up, Frank. Hey, Frank. Here. Doesn't she collect the ones that are that weird glass?
She only buys the blow-up ones.
Alright, where's my... This is over here.
This used to be the way back then.
The compression glass, yeah.
Everybody wanted this stuff.
Yep. Yep.
Over in here.
Yeah. You did. Oh, it was nice. Look at this thing, she's in the house.
No, that's old. I think it's this one.
Yeah. Oh, outside. Yeah, we've seen those.
Excuse me.
Alright. Oh, look at all your spreader things. Frank? Yeah. Oh, suction cup.
Oh, yeah, I need that.
You need that?
All right, it's wrapping up here. I got some pretty good deals at this estate sale, and they just weren't willing to haggle for what was left. There's a lot of stuff left there, guys, and just nobody was willing to wheel and deal. He's like, it's 50% off. Okay, just got back home here. I'm going to show you kind of two different piles here. I spent $93 and some change between garage sales and the estate sale. I picked up, I think there was 5 or 6 duffel bags at a garage sale, and there's a bunch of military stuff in here. It's a randomness. There's flashlights here, there's patches, some bags, there's MREs, right? I mean, I can start prepping right now, man. I'm good to go. There's pads, clips and cables. I don't know what it is. There's Bibles. This thing here, there was like 6 cents. I got a peak cup, right? A little drug test. But no, there's all this type of stuff here. It's recent military gear. There's a bunch of hats. There's some that are new. Again, there's a bunch of pouches. The more I was looking at this as I broke it down, I think a lot of this is going to be flea market stuff. There's these revision military glasses / sunglasses that appear to be new. There's a lot of padding here for helmets. We've got goggles, some hats here. Nothing too crazy with that. Let me clear off this table, guys, so I can show the rest of it, because there's quite a bit. And I was just surprised how much can fit in these duffel bags, and I got a steal on this stuff, to be honest with you. Just a lot of clothing and jackets, pants that came out of here. A lot of just army shirts, dress stuff. Here's some kind of like undergarment stuff, army shorts. It's craziness, right? We've got camo pants. What do we got here? Let me throw this whole stack here. Just gonna start slapping up here. These are very nice. These fleece zip ups. I got 1, 2, I believe we've got 4. Here's a jacket. I'm just throwing these up here, guys. This regular jacket. Here's like a rain jacket. All the nice camo there. Another one of these fleeces. Got patches on them. This pile's getting big. And we've got one here. This one's new at tags. So that's nice. Let's put this pile down here and I'll show you the next pile. Alright, got some more here. More clothing. Lots of clothing. Nice little pea coat. I believe, yeah, this one's new at tags. So that's nice. Let's slap that over here. Oh, no, that was the used one there. So we got that used one there. This one's new at tags. Could probably sell some of the stuff online and make some good money. We got another Army full zip kind of lightweight jacket. We got women's dress blues with skirt. We've got the jacket here with all the blingy blings on it. This one's new at tags. And we got one here that's used. Let me show you guys some other stuff here that came out of here as well. Alright, we got these lightweight like knapsacks. 1, 2, nice quality military bags. These do great. People love these things. There's the one, there's another one. The green one. Got an Army backpack. And then we got, I think this is a tent protector, or I'm sorry, a sleeping bag. Yeah, bivy cover for a sleeping bag. That should do well. I might sell that one online, to be honest with you. Let me show you guys the other couple items that are left over here. Alright, got some boots here. These are all women's boots. They're just like immaculate condition. Probably sell these online. These, I don't think they're really worth anything. It's probably some at the flea market. Got another pair right there. It was pretty epic with what I paid for it. Let me show you the last item that I kind of picked up and why I went to this garage sale, which I showed you a picture earlier in the video of why I went there. So this is what caught my eye at the when I saw the ad on Facebook about a garage sale. Let me show you guys here. This is a Wii U. It's a refurbished version from GameStop. But let me show you guys here because I already went through this and kind of organized it. That's a whole system right there. We're gonna do about $100 for this locally, and we could probably sell it online for about $115 shipped. But I'm trying to maximize the dollar amount there, and I think I'm gonna get somebody to buy this pretty quick locally to make it happen. We got everything here. It's a complete system. There's no doubt about it. We've got also, which was a bonus, these are in here. We got some joysticks, little nunchuck. So this is all separate. This is one lot auctioned up or locally, and then we've got 3 games. We got Mario U and Super Mario 3D World, Mario 10, and I just listed this one I think about an hour ago, and I believe it's sold. I believe we got cha-ching on that one for like 20-something bucks. But yeah, so that was an excellent score, honestly, at the garage sales. And you know what caught my eye was just this box. If you go back to that picture, you'll see. And it's hard for me to believe that, you know, 12:30 in the afternoon at a garage sale, nobody said anything. The crazy part was that she had this in the house, and this wasn't outside at the garage sale, but this box was. And that's what I saw the box. I said, well, do you have the Wii U? And then boom. That's how we communicate, right? We find the cracks inside of the the driveway, and this was one of them. But you know, when she said, "Yeah, I've got it," I said, well, "All right, let's make a deal." So I jumped in the car, headed over there, and we made the deal. Wii U stuff, it's worth some money. The white one here is not the greatest one you should get, but you know, any way you can make $1 is amazing. All right, so let me show you guys what I picked up from that estate sale. We've got some gun holsters here. This is a brand new one. I actually might keep that one. That might fit one of my pistoles. So we got these here. They're kind of in rough shape, but they do sell. I just recently sold one for about 30 bucks. So when I see these pretty cheap, I snag them up. This was kind of neat. It's a vintage Sears belt, probably from the late 70s. Really nice leather on here. So we'll see. I don't know, 20, 25 bucks. I picked up a couple pipe wrenches. I was just trying to get some of the tools that were there, but didn't work out to get a lot of that I wanted. But did pick up these relatively cheap. Picked up this vest. And I thought it was just neat because it's got this nice patch on here from the California Public Works. The guy that whose house it was looked like he worked there. There was a bunch of trophies and awards for him working 35 or 38 years in the state of California there. So I got to do some more research on this here. If it's worth something with the vest, you know, I'll definitely sell it. If not, maybe just a patch. I don't know. Time will tell. But this was the nice score here. There's about 232 hats here, and I just bundled all this up and got a pretty good deal on it. Again, everything you were seeing here was just under $100 for everything I picked up today. I'm not going to go into too great detail of the hats, but they're random hats. There was 2 sports hats I saw in here. One was they're both starter hats. So I think one's a script hat, and the other one's just a plain old generic one there. But they're nice trucker hats here. They've got, you know, the nice patches on it. Overall, they're in decent shape. Some need to be cleaned. Some are broken, like the snaps are broken off them, which is no big deal. I've got boxes of beat up hats where I can replace the snaps on the back just in case they crack there. So yeah, these like I said, there's a boat ton of them in here. This whole box, give you an idea how big the box is just crammed full of them. And they got some good subject matter to them here. Foothills Lounge, Tropicana and Jones. Then there's some tore up hats like this one. This DNR from Indiana, Department of Natural Resources. Just kind of chewed up there, but it's got that look. There's no doubt about it. And there's a nice one. Coca-Cola. Look at that one. Sportsman. This is probably early 80s. Very nice vintage mesh trucker snapback hat there. Yeah, here's a couple of sports ones. Let's see. The Wolverines. Michigan Wolverines. Here's the San Diego Chargers. They're in pretty good shape there. There's some native ones in here. Some native festivals. Just a whole plethora of stuff here. And this is what I just couldn't believe when I saw it. I'm like, wow. You know, they had them here $1 each. And the last day there, it's stuff like this that people overlook. So many people are going to the States looking for, you know, antiques. They're looking for gold and silver and all this stuff like this. And this was an opportunity here that I don't even know what to say. I mean, let's say there's 125 sellable hats in here. At the minimum of $15 a hat. So do the math there. It's pretty crazy some of the profit potential you can get with snapbacks. And any type of vintage hat, mesh trucker hats, even adjustable hats, the Velcro back ones. But it's just crazy that people overlook this stuff. And I'm telling you, it seems like 9 out of 10 estate sales, the last day I go to, I'll find an opportunity, whether it's something like hat or clothing or a bundle. So I appreciate you guys watching today's video. Unfortunately, I didn't get the person hasn't called me back to buy the whole estate out. I don't really forecast him calling me back. He was kind of just insulted to some extent when I offered him a price. But, you know, I'm not going to work for free and spend 3-4 days clearing that house out with all that tooling and pay him 10 grand to do it. So it's crazy. So again, appreciate you guys watching this video. Go out there, be great, find the opportunities. And remember, if you got estate sales in your area, don't be afraid to go an hour before it closes. That's when you can find some deals. There's always a deal left behind. So until next time, I'm out of here. Peace. Vlog over.